Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make this Thanksgiving turkey ruffle cake. Start with a dome-shaped vanilla sponge cake and cut out a hole in the middle. Fill the hole with candies. And then close it up. Next, coat the cake in chocolate buttercream. Spread it nice and evenly. Then it's time to pipe on the ruffled feathers, starting with red buttercream. Pipe on like so, going all the way across and down the sides. Then use a palette knife to smooth down one end. Make another row the same and then repeat the process with brown buttercream. Again doing 2 rows. Then do the same with orange buttercream. And last but not least, yellow. Just cover up the remaining little gap. There. Right, time to make our turkey head. We're rolling out brown fondant icing and shaping it to create the neck. Then roll a ball for the head and stick it on top. Press it down using your fingers. Then slice up a candy corn for the beak. And a couple of candy eyes go on there. Let's not forget the wattle. We're using red fondant for this, shaping it with your fingers, just sticking it on. There you go, time to pop it on the cake. Amazing! Thanksgiving turkey ruffle cake. Making a very special cake for a very special occasion. Cut out a slice and watch the candy fall out. Enjoy!